Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build practical skills for study abroad with Coursera step by step clearly. Start by identifying your academic and professional goals for studying abroad. Research the countries and institutions that align with these goals. Next, explore the course offerings on Coursera relevant to your chosen field. Create a Coursera account if you don't already have one. Begin selecting courses that not only match your academic interests but also emphasize practical skills. Before enrolling, read course descriptions and reviews to gauge their relevance and quality. Enroll in a course that you find engaging and suitable for your schedule. As you progress through the course, actively take notes to capture key concepts and skills. Participate in discussion forums to engage with peers and instructors. Complete all assignments on time to enhance your learning experience. Seek out hands-on projects or case studies offered within the course. Utilize additional resources, such as linked articles or videos, to deepen your understanding. If available, earn a certificate upon course completion to enhance your resume. Regularly assess your progress and reflect on how the skills learned apply to your future studies. Consider taking more advanced courses to further build on your practical knowledge. Connect with fellow course participants to establish a network that can support your journey. Finally, compile a portfolio of completed projects and certificates to showcase your skills when applying for study abroad programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.